Preparation to persuade. In the beginning of your career, imbibing the important art of persuading someone or explaining a point is very essential. From the perspective of how we look at a subject, how can that perspective prove to be right and effective? That has to be explained to another person, which means that we change that person's perspective completely. Which is why it is essential to make prior preparations. For you to understand this in a simple manner, in this video we will see how do we make preparations when we have to sell a product or a service. 1. Gauging the need of the client. To persuade someone, this is the first step. Knowing what the customer really needs for a specific product or service is called identifying the customer's need. When selling a product or a service, we first need to be aware of this. Only then we can convince the customer easily. What the customer actually does, what is his business, what geographical location he lives in. All this we need to know much in advance. But keep in mind, the product is never personable. It is made according to the need and demand. Therefore, which aspect of the product can prove beneficial for the customer? What problems is the customer facing right now? After making a complete assessment, explain the issue to the customer. If you are able to properly assess the customer's issues, then it is not difficult to convince them. That is, after knowing how I am benefiting from this product or service, customers definitely agree to buy it. 2. Debates and evidences. First, to get the customer's attention, you must strike a dialogue with him. While presenting a new item or a service, there is bound to be a question-answer session and possibly some argument too. To persuade the customer, sometimes we have to explain an issue too. In such a situation, there is every possibility of turning the dialogue into a controversy. To avoid this or such an incident, compile some social media evidence, test, or other customers' experience written about it. Tell them about the prior experience of selling the product or service and the benefits to its customers. After telling that the person of the same business or similar field is making profit by using it, the customer starts trusting that product or service, and then it is not difficult to convince him. 3. Showing demonstration. Showcasing a demonstration or demo of product and service is an effective option to convince someone. Due to this, 50% of the work is completed. The thing which we are trying to explain is proved while showing the demonstration or demo. Seeing the demonstrations or demos strengthens the customer's confidence in the product or service. For this, one has to reduce time and effort. The customer can experience that product or service himself. Because of this, instead of explaining the different aspects, features, and form of product to the customer, he sees it himself. 4. Narrating other customers' experiences. If someone wants to buy a new thing or service, they would definitely like to know if someone has used that thing or service before. How was their experience if used prior? In the same area, how and how much of that product is used effectively? Customers certainly think about all this. Therefore, previous experience of that product plays a very important role. This increases the number of customers, product or company reputation in the society. This prior experience can be shown on websites, blogs, social media, etc.